Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. In this week's video I'm going to create an illustration using a random species generator from the website ranjan.co.uk. This website contains, like I said, a random species generator where you can, with a simple click of a button, create a whole new species. And I have to say they take it really serious because the list of specifications go on and on and on. It's very detailed, like you will see in a minute. And I thought it would be a great and interesting way to create a new character for you guys. So let's have a look at this random species generator.
And here we have our website, ranjan.co.uk, and here is our species generator. Populate your worlds with these weird and wonderful creatures. Well, don't mind if I do. I discovered this website in a video by YouTube artist Stan100. You should check him out if you don't know him already. He makes some amazing content. So when I click on this generate button right here, I will randomly create a creature. So the idea is that I generate a random creature and I try to make some cool art of it. Who knows what I'm gonna get, but let's go and click generate. Boom. This creature is called Kunonoma. Oh lord, even the name already is a challenge. A unique humanoid with a large head with a long horn on its forehead. Oh lord. And almost a non-existing neck. 7 narrow grey eyes. 7 eyes? Why do you need 7 eyes for? 2 small slitted nostrils, large ears and a protruding jaw containing a mess of sharp teeth. Cool. It has broad shoulders, a wide chest and a fat stomach. It has 2 long red arms that end in 3-toed hooves and has long thick legs and 2-toed hooves. Well, that's not convenient. The Kunonoma's whole body is covered in thick fur except its face, which is covered in thick slime. Yikes. It has the markings of a tiger in grey, dull red and vivid orange. Well, that's the Kunonoma. Okay, well that's not starting off easy, but let's jump into this drawing and see what we can come up with. Well, let's learn a little bit more about our friend the Kunonoma. His average height is 14 inches, so he's not that large. His lifespan is around 21 years, which is not that long, but he lays 646 eggs and the population is limited. Well, based on the description, no surprise there. His temperament is skittish and his diet contains fish, animal skin, lizards and animal fats. As family life, the Kunonoma family group is massive and is led by the breeding pair. Young males leave to join new families when they are of breeding age. They can survive underwater up to 28 minutes and they can survive in temperatures as low as minus 48 degrees Celsius. They communicate by tapping and thudding the ground. They are impervious to poison and they can produce a skunk-like spray. That sounds like a fun guy to be around. Well, for now I leave you guys to watch the drawing and enjoy the music. I will catch you at the end of the video for some final words, so enjoy the show.
Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked the Quanemoma. It's a cool little creature, I think. If you did like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And that wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!